Flodesk is a user-friendly email marketing platform that helps you design beautiful emails, automate workflows, and grow your email list. Here's how to get started with Flodesk. Sign up and set up your account. Visit Flodesk and sign up for an account. After logging in, complete your account setup by entering your business details and setting up your sending domain. Create a new email. To start your first campaign, click on Emails in the left sidebar, then click Create New Email. Flodesk offers easy-to-use templates, so choose one that fits your needs or create a custom design from scratch using the drag and drop editor. Design your email. Customize the email with your logo, colors, and content. Add text, images, buttons, and other elements. Flodesk's editor allows you to preview how your email will appear on both desktop and mobile devices. Build your list. Go to Forms to create a sign-up form for your website. Flodesk allows you to easily embed forms to collect email addresses from new subscribers. Automate campaigns. Set up automation workflows to send welcome emails or follow-up messages automatically. Go to Workflows and create a sequence triggered by actions like a new sign-up. Send or schedule emails. Once your email is ready, click Send or Schedule to send it at the optimal time.